Kevin Geddings, former North Carolina lottery commissioner, served about 3 years in prison. He's now out, and in fact, a judge has exonerated him. Why?
Back in June, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that the law that was used to send him to prison was unconstitutional, and that was what was known as the Honest Services Law. And essentially what it says is that if you are an executive of a publicly traded corporation, or if you're a public official, you owe the public honest services. You shouldn't defraud them, you shouldn't lie to them, you shouldn't not fail to disclose conflicts and that sort of thing. Now, that's a very vague law that was attacked by people from the civil liberties community, from the criminal defense community, even from some rule of law conservatives who basically said you can't really convict somebody of a felony for something that just smells bad. And that was what the Supreme Court essentially ruled, was that in these instances, you can't convict someone just on this charge unless there's something else going on, such as bribery, a quid pro quo, or some fraud that could otherwise be proved separately. And so when Kevin Geddings was convicted in 2007, I believe it was, he was convicted only on this honest services charge. And so he was released from prison just after the Supreme Court ruling and then recently exonerated.